Hey, what's going on, guys? Just want to start off by saying that I hope you're all doing well, those of you who are working on your entries for my Kotobukiya contest, but I just want to also take this time to let you guys know about a different contest that has recently been announced, the OMC, the Original Mecha contest. Now, I'm not involved with this contest, I just wanted to make a video just to let you guys know about it because it's a really cool contest with some very cool people involved, and of course lots of prizes and things to win as well, and it's just a cool different contest, I think. So it's organized by a guy who goes by the name of Cam. I'll put in the links down below in the video description a link to his Facebook page and also a link to his YouTube channel, directly to the video, his announcement video, which actually goes over all the rules and everything. You should just go and watch that. I'm not going to explain everything in this video, I just want to let you guys know about it. If you're interested in taking part of the contest or just listening to his description of the contest, then just check the video there down below. But essentially, it's a worldwide competition, anyone in the world can join, and the thing is that they want you to create your own mecha design. So you can use parts from different things, and you can use like a Gunpla as like your base kit or anything, but they want you to basically create something entirely original. So it's a really cool thing, I think, a little bit more interesting or just a little bit more unique maybe than GBWC, where they kind of want you to make Gundams. This is something where they want you to make something that's definitely not a Gundam. They want you to make something that's entirely your own creation. So if that's the kind of thing that you think you're interested in trying out, then check out the contest. They've got some amazing, like, world-class judges here, like super well qualified, like top of the top builders, like some of the best builders in the world working on this as judges. They've got some really cool sponsors that are providing some really cool prizes for this. And yeah, like he said, like Cam explains in the video, they're they're going to be looking to add more prizes to the prize pool as more interest is taken in the contest as a whole. So if you guys are interested, take part and get in there, and hopefully they'll be able to continue to grow the prize pool and get some more cool stuff for you guys to win. Again, of course, the main thing is just to take the opportunity to join in other builders in creating some really cool new mecha models, and it'll be really cool to see what everyone comes up with. That's kind of the point of why I wanted to do the Kotobukiya contest here on my channel, because I wanted to see something a little bit different than just Gunpla all the time, and so I think this is another really great idea for kind of letting people stretch their creativity a bit and make some cool mecha models. So again, if you're interested, check out the link to Cam's video down below that explains everything all about the rules and the sponsors and the judges and everything and how to enter. So check that out. And that's it for this video, guys. Just want to let you know about that. So check it out, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.